A Denver homeowner just searched furnace repair near me. Your business came up. So did 4 competitors. She spent 11 seconds looking at reviews. You have 19. The HVAC company 3 miles away has 210. She called them. You didn't lose that job because your work is worse. You lost it because your review count told her a story, and the story was wrong. Most home service businesses in Denver handle reviews the same way. They ask happy customers in person. They put a sign in the truck. They send a thank you email once in a while with a review link buried at the bottom, and they wonder why the count barely moves. Here's the problem. Asking manually means asking inconsistently. You ask when you remember. You forget when you're busy, and you're always busy. Your competitor with 210 reviews didn't get there by remembering to ask. They built a system that asks every single time, automatically, at exactly the right moment. Here's what that system looks like for a Denver HVAC company. Job is completed, the technician marks it done in the system. Within 90 minutes, an automated text goes to the homeowner. Hi name, thanks for trusting us with your furnace today. If Mike did a great job, would you mind leaving us a quick Google review? It takes about 60 seconds and means everything to a local business like ours. Direct link, one tap, no searching, no friction. That message goes out after every completed job. 10 jobs a day, even at a 25% response rate, that's 2 to 3 new reviews daily. 60 to 90 new reviews per month. In 6 months, you have 400 reviews. In 12, you own the map pack for every furnace repair search in Denver. And the homeowner who searches next January, she calls you without looking at anyone else. Review volume is a ranking signal and a conversion tool simultaneously. You need a system that generates both. Without your technicians remembering to ask, and without your office staff chasing customers for feedback, we install this exact automated review system for Denver home service businesses. Click the link below. Stop losing jobs to a number. Let's fix it this week.